ix2 value here. Substitute these values. 7.87 into 10 power 5 plus 3.025 into 10 power 5. When we add these two equations, we will get a solution. Ixx is equal to 1.09 into 10 power 6. Thus we have found out the one solution. Okay, for K method we have found out Ixx value. Next we have to find out Iyy value. Similarly, using the parallel axis theorem, we have to find out the moment of inertia for Iyy value. Iyy value is equal to Iy1 plus Iy2. Moment of inertia of section 1 and moment of inertia of section 2. First calculate for section 1. Draw the section 1 diagram with the dimensions. Eight mm. This is depth and this is breadth. Okay. For calculating this moment of inertia Iy1, Ig y1 plus a1 x bar minus x1 the whole square. This is the formula for calculating moment of inertia about y-axis. Okay, for calculating y-axis, Ig1 in the sense we have to take along the y-axis. Hence the formula will be d1b1 cube by 12 plus area A1 x bar minus x1 the whole square. Now substitute the values. Depth is 80 mm, breadth is 8 cube by 12. What is area A1? Already we have found out 640 mm square. 640 x bar we have calculated 52 mm. 52 minus y1 value, x1 value is 40 whole square. Now simplify this equation. 3.413 into 10 power 3 plus 92.160 into 10 power 3. Iy1 value is 95.573 into 10 power 3 mm. This Iy1 value. Similarly, for we have to find out the moment of inertia for section 2. Section 2. Iy2 is equal to Ig a2 plus a2 x bar minus x2 the whole square. Okay. You can draw the section 2 like this way. What is the breadth? 120 mm. Breadth is equal to 8 mm. Okay. This is in case of section 2. And this one is section 1. Now substitute the values here. D2 B2 cube by 12 plus A2 x bar minus x2 the whole square. D 8 mm, B is 120 mm. Cube by 12 plus what is A2 value? 960 mm. 960 x bar value we have already calculated. This one is x bar is 52. X2 is 60. When you subtract this, we will get a minus sign. Since we are having square, we can neglect that value. Okay. After solving that, you will get a value 1.152 into 10 power 6 plus 0.06144 to 10 power 6. IY2 value is 1.21344 into 10 power 6. This is IY2 value. So for finding IYY value, IY1 plus IY2, moment of inertia about for section y-axis for section 1 and section 2. When we add these two values, we'll get the solution. IYY is equal to 1.309 into 10 power 6 mm power 4. This can be written as 1.31 into 10 power 6 mm. This is IYY value. So we come back to the formula, K method formula. I have found out the IYY value. Only thing I have to find out IXX value. The other values are known in the IXY value and other values are known in the formula. Okay. How to find? IXY is nothing but the product moment of inertia. This can be given as IXY value. IXY value is given by A1 x bar 1 square plus A2 this can be directly written as xy is equal to A1 x bar minus x1 into y bar minus y1 plus A2 into x bar minus x2 into y bar minus y2. We are having all these area values and x1, x2, y bar values. Directly substitute in this formula. We substitute this area A1 8 into 8 x bar values. We will get okay. Similarly, A2 area A2 4 minus by substituting this area A1 A2